ऑलराइट, वेलकम टू डे 25 ऑफ द चैलेंज। आज की ऐप एक सोशल मीडिया ऐप है और काफ़ी सिंपल यूआई है, बट कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो कि काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगेंगी आपको देखने में। सो या लेट्स गो टू द यूआई एंड सी द आउटपुट। As you can see, this is the username and profile picture. You can see there are followers, posts and following written, and this view is very interesting. So here you get the timeline of the user. So the user has posted these photos an hour ago. The user has started following, then posted, went live and all that. This is the timeline view of this social media app. This is what I get from the UI design, so that is how I interpreted it. And you can click on any image. The image view will open. You can message the person. Obviously these buttons don't work. So yeah, this is it. And yeah, so I think this timeline view was very interesting to build, and this is the UI. I hope you like it. Here's the side-by-side comparison of the different screens. I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.